Vroom vroom go the cars. Or they probably say something else. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, here's something I learned from an 8-year-old child. See how that's completely smooth? See how that has writing on it? Hudson Hornet. That is this character's name in the Cars show. Or movie or whatever. This one right here is blank. Now the other side is, I'm pretty sure Disney Pixar, yeah. But this side is blank. So there are two versions. One version, they put the name on the bottom, which would be the right side of the back of the dispenser. They put the name of the character. Well, then they also have the other versions blank on this side. So make sure you have both of the versions in your collection, and if you don't know about that, you now do. And thank you very much for informing me, because again, I'm all about this PEZ knowledge, and I'm glad I was able to pass it to you. So until next time...